अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अल्ताफ ट्रैवलॉग। मेरे पास काउच सर्फिंग के थ्रू कुछ गेस्ट हैं ग्लेन एंड मैडो, आयरलैंड एंड जर्मनी से। उनको मैं लेके जा रहा हूँ वाघा बॉर्डर विजिट के लिए, तो आए मेरे साथ, आपको भी विजिट करवाता हूँ।
Okay.
Hot today.
It's pretty intense, the heat. We know, yeah. Yeah, Mohammed is joining us today. We're staying with Mohammed for a couple of days, so
200 he will drop us.
okay, 200 rupees to the border. Good, my friend. You okay, Mohammed? Yeah, are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Yeah? Easy. Okay. You relax, my friend, okay?
Yeah.
He has a broken arm, so masks for pollution, yeah? Mohammed, what's the name of this village? Vatapul village. Exactly. Oh no. Okay. Really, packed lunch. Checkpoint number 2. I think there's 3 checkpoints.
We just waste our 40 minutes, nothing else.
Okay, you just wasted 40 minutes. What are we doing? You getting some
We will pass
treats?
through the gate of this car.
Okay.
Hashim.
Okay.
Which country you?
I'm from Ireland.
Island. Nice to meet you. Pakistan Island, Zindabad. Okay.
Sure, Pakistan. Okay. Sure, why not? What's up? Hey! Okay, let's get some energy, guys. Oh.
Pakistan Zindabad. Oh, that's the closest I ever.
Sorry? Babe Azadi. It means the gate of freedom.
I don't know. Do you want a picture of you more than me?
Today I'm more famous than Glen.
Cheaper this way, yeah?
Take 30 rupees for one, like 100, we will give 100 for 3.
Okay.
Sweet and sour.
Yes, sir.
We get my favorite molten lava. Look, the lava.
This is chocolate leaking from the ice cream.
It's hot.
It's hot. Some coffee.
It's vanilla and coffee.
Go to the service lane, check it out if you want a bit of different food other than
You get everything here.
Pakistan
So
food,
check this place out.
Asian,
if you-
Chinese,